Today I'm going to show you how to create forwarding emails in Bluehost CPanel step by step, so any message sent to your domain email can automatically arrive in the inbox you actually check every day. This is super useful if you want to look more professional with a custom business email, but still read everything in Gmail, Outlook, or another email app. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting section and open CPanel. Bluehost makes a lot of tools available here, and CPanel is where you'll manage many of the email settings for your website. Inside CPanel, scroll down until you find the email section. This is where all the email-related tools live, including account creation, filters, and forwarders. For this tutorial, click on Forwarders. Forwarders are what let you send mail from one address to another automatically. Now you should see the forwarders page. To create a new one, click Add Forwarder. This opens the setup screen where you'll define which email address will receive incoming messages and where those messages should go. In the Address to Forward field, type the local part of your email address. In other words, enter the name before the @ symbol. For example, if your email address is info@yourdomain.com, you would type info in this box. This tells Bluehost exactly which mailbox or address you want to forward. Next, choose your domain from the Domain drop-down menu. If you only have one domain connected to your Bluehost account, it may already be selected for you. If you have more than one, make sure you choose the correct one so the forwarding rule applies to the right email address. Then move down to the Destination section. Select Forward to Email Address. This option tells Bluehost that the incoming mail should be sent to another external inbox instead of staying only in CPanel. Now enter the destination email address where you want those messages delivered. This could be your Gmail address, your Outlook address, or any other inbox you check regularly. For example, you might type your name at gmail.com. Double check this carefully because if the address is typed wrong, your forwarded emails won't arrive where you expect them. Once everything looks correct, click Add Forwarder. Bluehost will save the rule and start forwarding new incoming messages from that domain email address to the destination email you entered. And that's it. Your domain email will now automatically forward incoming messages to the email address you selected. This is a great way to keep a professional business address while still managing everything from one main inbox. If you want to set up more forwarding addresses, you can repeat the same steps for each one. And if you ever need to change or remove a forwarder later, you can come back to the forwarders section inside CPanel and update it there. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Bluehost and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.